In the Microsoft Fabric Tech Talk Fridays on the 4th of April, Amir Net, the Microsoft CTO, he said a few things and it kind of really got me thinking, and I'm not sure kind of what I think about it, but I think it might be probably where my confusion is and where my concerns are about really where the industry is going, and are we aligned with our customers as one thing and with you guys or with the industry as the other. So you want to be a Power BI developer. We can see it cross highlights, fact and dimension, the visual calculations. So we've got time intelligence within there. Let's just get right down to it. Let's start simple. So what Amir said on the talk, we'll put a link down below to the video. What he said was BI tools should be integrated into the data system or risk obsolescence. I think that I struggle, right? Now, obviously we do a lot of work with Power Platform, and a lot of that is around bringing together data cleansing tools and bringing those in. That's kind of where the wider Power Platform side is that we do. So we'll write things to allow us to cleanse and fix what's in a separate relational database source. You know, like the New York data set where we've got like names that are just different spellings or like just mistakes that need to be corrected and brought together. That's normal data cleanse work. Those are the kind of analytical loads that we do as we prep, you know, in terms of the data prep. And I think the bit that I struggle with is the idea that Fabric should become an area for transactional data sources as well, where you're going to have apps running against them all in your same workspace. And I'm not against it. I think it was an interesting one, and I struggle with it. So I'd love to hear what your views are about it too. You know, is it a case of saying, well, we're going to establish our Fabric workspaces or our Fabric capacity, set up workspaces, have everything going through onto the transactional databases against those that are already in Fabric, and then they ship straight into the analytical data source of OneLake, which then can use that and be used by multiple people. And on the surface, that's fine, and don't get me wrong, that is fine. And we know we know Fabric is going to have, we've talked about Fabric SQL, which is already kind of coming through. We know they're looking at Postgres, and they've obviously got Cosmos DB as well. So you're kind of well covered, and then it becomes a case of, but yeah, it's that application layer, I think, that I'm not quite sure is fully there in Fabric. Let me know down below. There's got to be views, thoughts, you know, am I overthinking it? Am I underthinking it? What do you think?